Hello everyone, my name is Deidre and welcome to E-Prime. Dancehall artist Skillibeng will be sharing the stage with American Grammy Award-winning singer Chris Brown on his European tour Under the Influence. Earlier today, Chris announced on his Instagram page that he will be bringing his brother Skilly on tour. Skilly will be Chris's special guest at the O2 on the 14th and 15th of February next year in London, UK. The Under the Influence tour officially kicks off on February 12 in Dublin, Ireland at the 3 Arena and will end on March 6 in Amsterdam's Ziggo Dome. Now, Skillibeng recently won the Caribbean Music Act, formerly Best Reggae Act Award at the MOBRA Awards last week, held at the OVO Arena in London, England. Yes, Skilly. Now, dancehall artist Idonia's management agency said he and his wife Kimberly are going through a difficult time following the death of their 9-year-old son, Khalif. In a statement issued last night, the couple asked that the public continue to respect their privacy. Solid Agency said Idonia and his wife would not be doing any interviews at the moment. Khalif lost his battle with cancer over the weekend after being diagnosed in August of 2019. E-Prime sends our love, thoughts and prayers with Idonia and his family. That's it for our show this evening. I am Deidre. Thank you for watching.